Welcome my boss ladies or my boss men, I see you out there. So I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to be talking about Alibaba.com. Yes, this video is sponsored by Alibaba.com, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about finding great quality vendors. And if you haven't heard of Alibaba.com, I'm gonna put you on, okay? Alibaba.com is a marketplace for buyers and sellers, also a website for sellers, and this is a trusted website that millions and millions and millions of businesses use. I currently have an account with Alibaba.com. I'm registered, and y'all need to download the app and sign up yourself, okay? We're gonna talk about verified suppliers. Now, if you are new with starting a business, or even if you have some experience with starting a business, it's good to learn something new, okay? You can never stop learning. You can never stop, looking for great quality. If you have quality that you like, that's okay, but there's always some quality that's going to be better and suit your brand and make it grow even more. Basically, they have industry standard certification to meet your standards of your business and what you want. So as you can see from this list here, there's a section for gold suppliers and there's a section for verified suppliers, and it just checks off what the gold suppliers have and what the verified suppliers have. And as you can see, verified suppliers have more information, so you can literally look at all of the information from the verified suppliers as far as what they verified for, like their business license, how long they've been in business, their quality, and so on. So it's very useful, especially if you're a person like me that really likes to do research and really want to know what I'm getting into with this supplier, if this supplier is right for me. So that is a great option y'all need to look at. What I also like about Alibaba.com is you can filter your options out, okay? Everybody have different needs. Not everybody want to buy a big, quality of orders. If you're starting out, maybe you want to sample, or if you really want to go big, you want to start like minimum 50 pieces. So what you can do is you can filter out your options on Alibaba.com. So you can filter out from, you only want verified suppliers, you only want suppliers from China or Pakistan. I believe they have a few other countries you could choose from as well. You could choose the MOQ, minimum order quantity. Alibaba.com is very universal. They have stuff from apparel, vehicle parts, vending machines. They have beauty products, they have skincare, they have everything that you need. Good research and what I was telling you guys about to filter out your options, check with verified suppliers. That will suit you very well. Now, I'm also going to tell you guys about a good tip that I've been using on Alibaba is if you're a person who have a clothing line like me, I really like to look for the mannequin photo. So a lot of times, the picture on the clothing on the model is good and all, but I like a real-time photo the clothing looks on a mannequin. So like this. So message the supplier. You're like, hey, do you have any videos? Sometimes it will be hard for to see the quality and everything, through a picture. They also can send you videos if that supplier, does that. So there's an option at Alibaba.com, and it's my favorite option, y'all, and it's the true view option. So as you can see order products in real time. So this is basically just showing hair. As you can see, the supplier just showing how the hair looks, how it flows. Then they have clothing, like I said, on the model, and it just shows it in real time, like a true view of the products. That is so fire to me, okay? That is amazing to me because you want to see as much as possible. Like you really, with shopping online, it's hectic already, and you can't be, really physical. Looking at this true view option is very helpful. So it really shows everything, y'all. Videos, everything. Look at that. Alibaba.com has a ready to ship section. The dispatch time is pretty fast, and I love that. Okay, who doesn't love ready to ship products, especially if you're trying samples or whatever. You want to, you know, get something fast, and if you know you like it, you want to place a big order. Okay, the logo and everything can be customized as well, so you can customize some eyelash boxes. Packaging itself, you can get customized. Shipping mailers, clothing, everything can be customized, and that is great because me personally, I customize my own clothing. However, for the people who don't have that much time, or you know, not really a designer, getting that done will save a lot of time and is very convenient for you. If you are new, you do not need a EIN number to sign up for Alibaba.com. It's totally free. You can also verify your business information on there, so you know your supplier can know more information about you as well, but that's optional, you know. So I highly advise you guys to take the steps, to take the tips that I gave you today, and really do some research. If you are a business owner looking to start a business, you know, anything, look into it. Like, this website is also good if you have you're a hairstylist, you know, you need more hair, you need more combs and brushes in bulk, you know, you need to buy some chairs, a hair dryer in bulk. Like, it is great. It's a great website for that. Selling on Alibaba, they do have an option where you can put your information in and they will connect you with somebody that can get you started. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.